Good afternoon, I'm Federica, and today we are going to review the account of Santos. Santos joined our funded trader program last November on the 24th, and he hit his first target on December the 21st. But now we are doing the review of his second target hit because Santos is now managing a $60,000 account. He managed to hit his second target on the 20th of January this month. So very good. Congratulations, Santos, on your second target. Very well done. Let's have a look at the equity line. So we left Santos here on the 21st of December. And since then, we can see a few ups and downs on his account. And in fact, we see here on the 11th of December, it was up 9.37%. And then something happened. He started to collect positive results. In fact, just from the 11th of December, just 10 days after he was hitting his 10% target. So very good, very well done. Let's have a look at the statistics. So we can see here an average daily return of 0.35%, which is good. An average monthly return of 10.89%, almost 11%, good. And an average drawdown of 7.06%. Although Santos never went in negative territory, this is something that I always want to mention. Very good, very well done. From the advanced statistics, we can see he took 546 trades with a profitability rate of 35%, which is quite low actually. But let's have a look at average win and average loss. And in fact, we can see an average win of almost 24 pips with an average loss of 10 pips. In terms of dollars, we can see an average win of $85 with an average loss of 32. So very good, well done. Now let's have a look at best trade and worst trade, because I believe both of them belong to the second account that he was managing with us, so the $30,000 account. And in fact, his best trade was on December the 30th. He gained $1,069 on this one. And in terms of pips, on December the 21st, this one maybe was the first account that he was managing, because I remember this date from his equity line. Anyway, we can still mention that he gained 208 pips. Very good, very well done. As regards the worst trade, we see here in terms of dollars, we have the 31 of December, New Year's Eve, he lost $274. And on January the 5th, he lost 41 pips. Okay, let's have a look at the summary. So, very good. We can see the very vast majority of his trades were on the pound dollar, 403 trades. He gained 806 pips on this pair, resulting in a profit of $4,928. Very good, very well done. We can also see here 47 position opened on the euro dollar. He gained 261 pips, resulting in a profit of $424 on these pairs. Good, very good. On this pair, good. Then we can see some negative trades here and there, but since his profitable trades were quite big on the pound dollar and on the euro dollar, that he definitely managed to offset all the negative trades that he opened on the other pairs. Okay, good. Let's have a look also at the history. Go back to the first page when he first started with us on the 24th of November. When he first joined, he was trading at 0.01, 0.05, 0.2, 0.3, 0.45, let's look, 0.10, 0.15. So he was not going a full lot on just one trade. He was dividing his positions. So here, 21st of January is when he hit his second target, and now he's managing his $60,000 account, and of course he's allowed to trade with a bigger lot size up to 2. Okay, very good, very well done. Let's have a look at the average trade length, 2 hours and 39 minutes. And from the scatter plot, yes, we can see a very short-term trader here. In fact, the majority of his positions were held for less than 9 hours. And those held for longer were yeah, almost all positive. We have only 2 exceptions here of 2 negative trades held for longer than 9 hours. Okay, very good, Santos, very well done. And now I look forward to do the third review for your account.